Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error 268. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the search menu from the bottom of the screen and search for command prompt. After that, open the CMD app, type in ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. This will delete all of the DNS cache files and refresh it. After that, type ipconfig/release and again press the enter key. Now wait for it to complete and enter the command ipconfig/renew. Once done, you will then need to delete the Roblox app. In order to do that, open the search menu and search for Add or Remove Programs. Now, open the first search result and search for Roblox. Here, click on the three dots icon at the right side and select Uninstall. After that, get to a preferred browser and search for Roblox Download. Now, access the first website and click on the download button in the center. You can see that the downloading has started. After it completes, run the setup and install it. You can then try running Roblox and check if the problem is solved. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox error 268 button on WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.